A real hot girl. It's always a hot girl summer over here, okay? We got the flamethrower going. So let's see if we can add more fire to the flame. Let's go. So as you guys know and may have already heard and seen reviews, Meg, the hot girl stallion, she came out with her own perfume exclusively released at Ulta. I wanted to unbox it with you guys and do a very first impression on camera. So let's get into it. So okay guys, it looks like I got a lot of goodies with the package. I know it came with like an accessory for the fragrance itself, and it came with a purse, and we're gonna open it all together, so don't worry. Look guys, here is the first. So look at it. I ain't sure about the bottle yet, but we're gonna see it in person before we pass judgment. Okay, I think this is the accessory for the perfume. I thought this bag was going to be a lot bigger. Hold on now. Let's unbox everything first, okay, guys? Ooh, I got a little sample in here, so wait a minute. In here, I also got a sample of the new Mugler. This is Starlicious. Ooh, I definitely want to try that. I think it has pistachio in it. So yeah, we're gonna try that. But anyways, that was everything that came in my package. Let's open up the little accessories first. Okay guys, so it came with this mini little handbag, little pouch. Let's open it. Let's see if it's giving free gift with purchase. Okay, so it's definitely a little small, but we'll work with it, okay? We'll work with it. We'll work with it. It's definitely giving small little pouch, small little clutch, run some errands, quick errands, come back in the house. So we'll find some use for it. All right, guys, let's unbox the fragrance. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Take that paper off. Everybody said they don't like the bottle already, but we're not going to pass judgment. Okay? We got to see it in person first. Okay, guys. Here we go. So, guys, here is the bottle. Of course, we all know it is giving flame, honey. Fire to the flame, honey. What do we think about this bottle? Is this bottle giving? Or is it not giving? In person, it looks a little bit better than I initially thought. So here it is, guys. And guys, in my package, it did come with a fragrance holder. So let's open that up really, really quick so we can put it all together to see how it looks. Uh-oh, it looked like something broke. Oh no, this broke, guys. It's supposed to be right here. Darn it. Ugh, maybe they'll send me another one, okay? But here is a closer look, guys. It has Megantheestallion, and it's just flames. It's plasticky. So just be careful with this when you're opening up your package. I think it came broken to me like this, so we definitely probably gonna call and see if we can get another one. But anyways, let's put the flame in the fire and see what it's looking like. Do it go this way? Hold on. Wait a minute. Which way do it go? Another one broke. Oh my God. How am I supposed to put this? Is it supposed to look like this? Oh my goodness, guys. How is this supposed to go? And this one just broke off on me. What? Was it supposed to stand like this? Okay. 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 All right. Guys, this is raw first impression, straight out of the box. unboxing. That's what's happening. Y'all let me know if this has happened to y'all, how you even use this, like, because I don't even know which way it's supposed to go in here at this point. Like, is this supposed to go like this? And even if so, I don't like this at all. We just gonna put all that to the side, okay? Because I don't need that messing up my vibe for Hot Girl Summer. So let's get into the fragrance. Okay guys, so the Hot Girl Summer fragrance, it only lists 3 different notes. So we have a top note of coconut milk, we have a mid note of orchid, and we have a base note of vetiver. So guys, I'm being a little risky because that's what hot girls do. We're gonna go right in on skin, and this is going to be my fragrance of the day. Okay. 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 My immediate thoughts is that this is a lot sweeter than I anticipated in the best way possible. I was most afraid of that the vetiver was going to really jump out at me, but this is a very smooth vetiver. It's very smooth. It's not harsh. It's not scratchy. Really what I'm getting the most is the orchid. The orchid is really the star of the show. And the orchid is kind of given sweet, sophisticated, nice floral, but definitely sophisticated and sweet. It's almost like it has a little bit of a fruity nuance to it. I know it has coconut milk at the top, but the coconut milk is not really, it's very light, very airy, very soft. So you can barely pick that note up. You're going to pick that orchid up. And there also feels like there is another note in here giving it a little bit of a sweet, fruity nuance. Something like an apricot note, possibly. Guys, this is good. I am going to love this. It's starting to dry down just a little bit more, and that orchid is really coming out. We are definitely going to put this on for our fragrance of the day. I'm gonna have to come back and update y'all on longevity, you know, projection, all the things, but we just gonna spray her down, honey. We gonna spray her down, honey. My first impressions is that this is surprisingly nice. I didn't think it was going to be like a sensual, fruity, floral, but that's what it's giving me. The coconut milk is very airy. It's like the airiest coconut milk that you can think of. The orchid to me is really the key of this fragrance. It's the heart note, so it's pretty much what you're going to smell the most. And the orchid is beautifully done. It is a very sensual orchid, okay? And then like I told you, they only list 3 notes, but I feel like there might be a little bit of an apricot to add a very sweet nuance to this fragrance, because it's definitely giving me sensual, sweet, floral vibe. And that vetiver is very airy too. Like I said, it's not scratchy, screechy. It smells really nice. It definitely is going to match my hot girl summer vibe. Now the packaging is a whole different story. They made it a little bit gimmicky, and so it's not ergonomically you know, functional. Like, I don't know what this was supposed to be. Like, it's just a round hole, and this is very small. So like, how was this supposed to fit in the fragrance holder? It's beyond me. Maybe there's a tutorial out there that y'all could pass me to, but either way, these little plastically flames, they already are breaking and coming off. So for somebody that's reaching for the fragrance a lot, you would have to babysit this for this to be in any kind of condition. So this, that needs to melt. That needs to melt down. Now the actual bottle itself, I'm not too mad at it. Is it gimmicky? Could be, but I'm okay with it. Flame, hot, that's her brand. I can roll with that, okay? But now I have to figure out how I'm going to, you know, store this. Like, what vanity can this sit up on? It can't. So I don't know what we gonna do. Can it sit up by itself? Okay, it looked like it could sit up by itself, but again, it's top heavy. So you still have to be cognizant on where you store and where you put this at. So the packaging for sure could have been better. Very disappointed on that. But as far as the price, as far as the fragrance, my first impressions is that it's giving what it needs to give. Drop down with your comments. Let me know if you've tried this fragrance. What are your first impressions? Please tell me about this fragrance holder. How are y'all about to store this fragrance? Give me all the details. Did I describe what needed to be described for y'all? I am going to come back. We're going to talk about longevity and projection. We're going to do all the things. But I had to bring it to my Sillage baddies first because you know we love a hot girl summer over here, okay? She should have called me. She should have called me because I would have already told her what the hot girl baddies wanted, what the Sillage baddies wanted, but she gave it to us in this fragrance style. I like it. I ain't gonna lie. We just needed some better packaging. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me during this unboxing and first impressions of Meg, the Hot Girl Stallion, Hot Girl Summer Perfume. Let me know down below in the comments your thoughts. And until next time, a real hot girl. I think she was trying to be too much of a hot girl, and these flames are melting, honey. Okay? They melting. How do you put this in here, babe? Can you figure this out? I need a tutorial. Oh, you put it in? Okay, see, that's why you need a man, because they know how to put things in.